Okay, so the last video we created the term document matrix, and now he says besides the fact that that you can use lots of R functions on this matrix because it's just a matrix, so you can use lots of functions on it, and special ones that we might be interested in, clustering functions and classification functions, as are important in data mining. This package also brings some shortcuts, so they wrote some nice functions into the package to make certain things that you would want to do with these term document matrices easy. Imagine we want to find those terms that occur at least 5 times. Okay? So you might say, okay, I want to see, I don't care about terms that didn't occur at least 5 times, but I want to see the ones that did occur at least 5 times. And this is how you would do it. So there's something called find frequent terms, and you tell the term document term matrix, and you say 5, and so you get this list of words. So these words occurred at least 5 times. So you might say, oh, the other words are not so important, but these are important. Or we want to find associations, i.e. terms that are correlated with at least 80% correlation to the term OPEC. So I might want to see words that occur often with the term OPEC. So you can do this function. They have a function called find associations, and you put this and then OPEC and the 80%, and you get the words. So OPEC, I guess refers to the oil producing nations that have some kind of association. So that's called OPEC. So what are the words that occur with that? Meeting, oil, emergency, analysts, buyers, and here, and also this number. And these are the correlations with the word OPEC and the given word and the associated words. Okay? Okay, now this I don't understand what he's talking about here. Okay, next he says the term document matrices tend to get very big, even just for small data sets or normal sized data sets. Therefore, we provide a method to remove the sparse terms. So which terms don't occur often? So it doesn't occur often mean they don't occur in many documents. So terms occurring in only a few documents, we might want to remove them. Normally this reduces the matrix dramatically without losing significant relations inherent to the matrix. So we don't lose too much. And you can do remove sparse terms, and this says what? This function call removes those terms which have at least 40% of sparse. So they have to occur in more than 40% of the documents in order to be included. Otherwise they get removed. So that you do it this way. So this says I only want terms that are in at least 40%. That's a lot. At least that's like in half of the documents. So it's being very strict here. We get only 4 terms then. Okay, out of how many we had, like, I forget how many. How many were originally there? Where was that? I forget. No, where was that? Well, I guess I had it in mind. Here somewhere. Well, where was it? I know there were a huge number of terms right here. 1,302 terms. But when we say they have to be in at least 40% of the documents, we only get 4 terms, 4 columns. So the only words that occurred in at least 40% of the documents were these 4 words. Okay? And here we see the frequencies. So this word occurred, oil, occurred in document 127 5 times, and occurred in document 144 11 times. And look, you can see that it actually occurred in every document. Okay, now this word, March, did not occur in every document, but it did occur in all but 4 of them. This one, this one, this one, and this one. So that's 4 out of whatever, 20. So that was at least 60% of the document. I'm sorry, at least 40% of the documents. Okay, so that's what that does. Okay, so you can inspect it. Okay, next is, okay, that's all. So that is operations on the term document matrix. So we can do find frequent terms. We can do all the lots of things because it's a matrix, but we can also, these are special functions that are part of this package. This one, so you can find frequent terms, which is very helpful, and find associations. That's also very helpful for a specific word. That could be very interesting. And remove sparse terms. Okay. Okay, let's go to the dictionary next.